Hi everyone, I'm Jane, and this is my husband Alex.
Welcome back to our channel, where we practice simple and natural English through real-life situations.
Today I'm going to visit my friend who has just given birth to a baby.
Yes, and before she goes, we were discussing what kind of gift would be thoughtful and useful.
So, we decided to turn this real moment from our life into an English conversation for you.
You'll see how we talk at home, at the shop, and during a friendly visit. These conversations will help you learn natural daily English step by step.
Let's start today's conversation together. Alex, today I'm going to visit my friend who has just given birth to a baby, and I'm feeling a little confused.
That's such happy news. And I'm sure your visit will mean a lot to her.
Yes, I really want to congratulate her properly and take a thoughtful gift.
Have you thought about buying something useful for the baby?
I was thinking about it, but there are so many options that I can't decide.
Newborn baby clothes are always helpful and appreciated by new parents.
That's true, but I feel like everyone brings clothes when visiting a newborn.
In that case, you could choose a baby care gift set with essential items.
That sounds like a practical and meaningful idea.
You could also include a soft toy that the baby can keep while growing up.
I really like that idea because it feels more personal.
Don't forget that the mother also deserves something nice during this time.
You're right, because she must be exhausted after delivery.
Even a small self-care item would make her feel special.
I think I'll buy a baby gift and something comforting for her as well.
That sounds like a very thoughtful plan.
Thank you for helping me think clearly about this.
I'm always happy to help you.
Now I feel more confident about my choice.
I'm sure she will love whatever you bring.
This baby store has so many beautiful items that it's hard to choose just one thing.
Yes, ma'am. We have a wide collection for newborns and new mothers.
My friend recently gave birth, and I want to buy a thoughtful gift for her baby.
Congratulations to her. And you've come to the right place.
I'm looking for something soft, safe, and useful.
These cotton baby clothes are perfect for newborn skin.
They look very gentle and comfortable.
They are made from natural fabric and are easy to wash.
I think this set would be a good choice.
Would you like to add a soft toy to complete the gift?
Yes, I was thinking about that.
This teddy bear is very popular among parents.
It looks adorable and very soft.
Babies usually feel comforted by soft toys.
I'll take the clothes and this teddy bear.
Would you like us to gift wrap everything nicely?
Yes, that would make it look more special.
I'll prepare it right away.
Thank you for your help.
You're most welcome.
Congratulations on becoming a mother. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much, Jane. It means a lot to see you here.
I was really excited to meet you and the baby.
Please come inside and make yourself comfortable.
Your home feels so peaceful today.
Yes, the baby has changed the whole atmosphere.
How are you feeling these days?
I feel tired, but my heart is full of happiness.
That's completely natural after such a big change.
Would you like to see the baby now?
Yes, I would love to.
He's sleeping at the moment.
He looks so calm and adorable.
Thank you for coming to visit us.
I wouldn't miss this special moment.
Your visit really makes my day brighter.
You deserve all the love and support.
Please sit down and relax.
Thank you for welcoming me warmly.
I'm really glad you're here.
I brought a small gift for the baby, and something for you as well.
Oh, Jane, you really didn't have to bring anything.
I wanted to bring something useful and meaningful.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
I hope you'll like it.
Let me open it carefully.
Take your time. There's no hurry.
These baby clothes are so cute and soft.
I chose them because they're gentle on newborn skin.
You're always so thoughtful. And this teddy bear is adorable.
I thought it would be nice for the baby to keep.
He's going to love it.
There's also a small gift for you.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you for thinking about me too.
Mothers need care and love as well.
I truly appreciate this.
I'm glad you liked everything.
I really did, thank you.
You look beautiful and strong as a mother.
Thank you. But motherhood is more challenging than I imagined.
I can understand that. It takes a lot of patience.
Sleepless nights have become very common now.
That must be exhausting for you.
Yes, but one smile from the baby makes it worth it.
That sounds truly magical.
Every small moment feels very special.
You're doing an amazing job.
I'm still learning something new every day.
That's completely normal for new mothers.
Experience comes slowly with time.
Do you have enough support at home?
Yes, my family helps me a lot.
That support makes a big difference.
I'm very grateful for it.
You're truly blessed.
Yes, I feel very lucky.
You deserve this happiness.
Thank you, Jane.
The baby has your eyes and your smile.
Everyone keeps saying that.
He is absolutely adorable.
Thank you, that means a lot.
What name did you choose for him?
We named him Adam.
That's a beautiful and meaningful name.
We thought so too.
Does he sleep well at night?
He mostly wakes up during the night.
Nighttime can be very challenging.
Yes, but we are slowly adjusting.
He looks very peaceful right now.
He just finished feeding.
That explains his calmness.
He usually sleeps well after feeding.
Enjoy these precious moments.
They grow up so quickly.
Time really flies.
It truly does.
I think I should leave now and let you rest.
Are you sure you don't want to stay longer?
I don't want to tire you.
You're not disturbing me at all.
Still, you need proper rest.
That's true.
Please take good care of yourself.
I will, thank you.
Call me anytime if you need help.
I really appreciate that.
I'm always here for you.
You're such a good friend.
That means a lot to me.
Please visit us again soon.
I definitely will.
Travel safely.
I will.
Thank you again for the lovely gifts.
It was my pleasure.
See you soon.
How was your visit to your friend's house?
It was a very heartwarming experience.
How is the baby doing?
He is calm, adorable, and very peaceful.
Did she like the gifts you bought?
Yes, she really loved them.
That's wonderful to hear.
High bill issue.
Excuse me. Can you explain why my bill is higher than last time?
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Let me check that for you.
I bought the exact same items. So this doesn't make any sense.
I understand your frustration. Please give me a moment.
A moment? I've already been waiting for 10 minutes.
I'll pull up the receipt right now. Thank you for your patience.
I don't feel patient at all. I just want this fixed.
You're absolutely right. Let's solve this together.
Last week the price of this item was much lower.
I see the difference. There was a sale last week that ended.
So you're telling me it's my fault for not shopping sooner?
No, not at all. I just want to make sure you understand why.
Well, you could have at least put a sign up about it.
That's fair feedback. I'll report this to my manager.
I just feel like no one cares about the customer anymore.
I promise I do care, and I want you to leave happy.
Then what can you do about the price difference?
I can offer you a store voucher for the inconvenience.
That's not what I wanted. But at least it's something.
Thank you for giving me a chance to make it right.